How to redeem Hollister gift card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can redeem Hollister gift card online. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to hollisterco.com. Now, make sure to sign into your account. After you've signed in, explore the website and add the items you want to purchase in your bag. Then tap on this bag icon. Now, you want to tap on the checkout option. Now, on the checkout page, you will have to enter some details. Go ahead and enter your shipping address, which includes first name, last name, address, city, and zip code. Now, you have the redeem a gift card option. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, you will have to enter your gift card number. After you've entered that number, you want to enter your PIN code. This is not required for the e-gift card. Once you have entered the PIN, tap on the apply option. If the details you've entered is correct, your gift card will be successfully redeemed. Now you can proceed to check out. Now you want to enter all the rest of the information, including your payment method, and place your order. And in this way, you can redeem your Hollister gift card online. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.